Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install Arduino software IDE on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. At first, just open up any of your browser. I'm going to use Chrome. And on Chrome, on Google, just search for download Arduino software IDE and search for it. Then just go to the Arduino download page. Just wait for it to load fully. Then from here, you can just download the Arduino software. Just click on download the Arduino IDE. Just click on download after selecting your Windows version. Then just wait for the download to be completed. Just give it some time. It's not gonna take long. And after the download has been completed, just click on it to open it. Click on I agree. Click on only for me if you want it only for yourself. Select where you want to install it and click on install. You can minimize your browser. Then just wait for the installation to be completed. And after it has been installed, make sure to check this Run Arduino IDE and click on Finish. This is going to open up the Arduino IDE software for you. Just give it some time. And there you go. Your Arduino software IDE has been installed successfully on your system. And basically that is how to download and install Arduino software IDE on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.